Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a map in Minecraft. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Now, first thing you should do is to find sugarcane, because we will need sugarcane to make paper. So what I'm gonna do right now is to simply search for sugarcane, and you will find the sugarcane near to the beach right here. It is near to the water, as you can see. I have found now too, so it's very easy to find them near the water. And after finding some sugarcane, you can use the crafting table. You should put it wherever you want. I'm gonna put it here, for example, then right click on it, then I'm gonna put my sugarcane like this, then I'm gonna get the paper. Then you should also have a compass in order to create your map. So now you have to use the crafting table again, right click on it, then put the compass in the center, then put the paper like this, and here you are. You have an empty map. You can simply use this map by clicking on right click, and here, as you can see, it will show you some of your landscape, and it will show you also this white color right here that represents your position. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.